Welcome to this instructional tutorial and review of the ONN alarm clock AM/FM radio. Okay, so it comes with a power adapter. It has a radio antenna. Okay, so I'm going to plug it in. Okay, let's take a look at the clock itself. So here is the port to plug the power adapter in. This is a 5-volt 1A USB charger to charge devices with. This is a battery compartment. And this takes two AAA batteries. Here's the speaker. Okay, on top you have off button, the set button right here, radio, alarm, radio button, hour, minute, volume. This is the second alarm set, and this changes the color. And here's the time set preset. Here's the bottom. 4 rubberized anti-slip foot pads. Okay, so I'm going to plug it in. The radio. Volume. So that's radio on and off button. Okay, to set the time, press the time set preset button. And then use the hour and minute to set, as I'm doing here. That's the hour. Okay, same for the second clock. Go to set. And that's how you change the time. You can change the alarm as well. Just go to time, set, preset, and you can set it to go off on radio, which shows here, or you can set it to buzz by just setting it to here. See number 2. So you can set it, go to set, set the time, and if you want to set the alarm to radio, turn it on to radio. And if you want to set it to buzz, set it to buzz. The same thing for the second one. Turn this on. You can set it like that. And that's how you set it. If you want to set the alarm to radio, put it on radio. If you want to set it to buzz, put it on buzz. There's a snooze button, there's a sleep button. On, off. Now you can change the color display as well by just pressing the color button. Just go to off and then press the color button to change the color. And this is the battery indicator showing that the batteries are not installed, so it's going to flash if the batteries are not in there. So there you have it. This was an instructional tutorial and review of the ONN alarm clock AM/FM radio. So I hope you found this video useful. If you have, please show your support for this channel by subscribing. Feel free to leave comments. Please like up this video, and thank you for tuning in.